Hi everyone, this is Linda from the duchesskitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. For today we're going to make vanilla nice cream. This is a plant-based ice cream, and we're also going to use a plant or nut milk as part of our mixture, and it uses only 3 ingredients. And for today we're going to make about 4 flavors. So the first one will be the base of our other flavors, which will be the vanilla or banana and vanilla nice cream. So first I'm going to peel the bananas, cut them into pieces, then freeze them about 4 hours or overnight. I'm sorry, I recorded whilst making it, but I don't know what happened. The sound is not coming through, so I have to do voiceover. So sorry when you see my hands making actions and me saying a different thing. So you're going to do the same thing for all the 4 other 3 bananas. You peel them, you slice them into pieces for easy freezing and blending as well. Put everything into a bowl, then I'm going to leave this in the freezer for about 4 hours. You can also spread them out on a tray for quicker or faster freezing. So actually it has been overnight, and our bananas are well frozen, so we're going to add it into our food processor. I'm using food processor, but you can use any high-powered blender that you have. If you want a recommendation, Vitamix blender is very good for blending smoothies and other things. So in it I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk. Any milk you want, you can add it to it, and I will add more as needed. And a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to blend this till it comes together, and you may need to stir. And as I said, you add the milk as needed, and make sure to stir midway so that you can get a smooth or easy blending going. And so I'll let this one run for a while. So about every now and then I just stop and scrape the sides for it so that it can mix. But I said, I like to just in between blending to aid the food processor to work faster. So you add milk as and when it's needed. Don't use too much of it too. So we are almost there. It's our vanilla nice cream. What do you guys think? I think it looks amazing and it looks perfect. So this is the texture you're going for, a soft serve ice cream. So it shouldn't be soupy, and this can be served right right now as it is, or you can freeze it for it to firm up more so that you can scoop it. And this is also going to be the base for other flavors as well. And when it's done, if I'm not going to use it immediately, serve it immediately, then I like to pour it into mini to keep in the freezer. You can also use any freezer safe container or homemade ice cream container. They all work good. And just wrap it with plastic cling film and put it in the freezer for about 3 hours or more. It becomes scoopable, like you can scoop and serve. And kids love it too. And what I like about it is we don't add any sugar. It has its own natural sugar already. So just 3 ingredients and a blender and you are good to go. This time too, if you want to do any addings, you can do it. If you want to add any chocolate chip, you can add it before freezing it, which is very important. As I said earlier, I had to do voiceover because the sound did not come. That's why you could see my hands and extra stuff going on that I'm not commenting about. So I'm really sorry about that, but I hope you get something out of the pictures as well. So now we are going to our second flavor. So this is how the base we just made. This is half part of it that I'm going to, and a second batch base. So I have half of it in here, and into this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened natural cocoa powder to create chocolate ice cream. Simple as it is. So I just add it to it. But if you are making this from the beginning, you can just use 2 bananas and 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of the cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then you just blend everything together as we did, and you achieve the same. A little bit of milk as and when needed. That is when you are making it with frozen banana from beginning. But this our base is already done, so we don't need to add any milk. We just add the cocoa powder, and you don't need sweetened cocoa powder, just natural unsweetened, and it is amazing as well. You just mix it, let it go a little bit until it is well mixed. Then your chocolate ice cream is ready. So we are done. Our chocolate ice cream, our fruit ice cream is ready. So as I said, I'm just going to scoop into a mini pan, just like we did before, and put it in the freezer. Actually, I'm going to use this pan for 2 of the flavors. So I don't have enough pans for that. If you are still here, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. And thank you to all my subscribers. Just level it. As I said, I'm going to use this for 2. So our third flavor is we're going to do cookies and cream ice cream. So with that, I have about 5 pieces of Oreo cookies, and I'm going to put them in a bag and just use the small rolling pin to smash them up. depending on how the texture you want in your ice cream will depend how you break up your cookies. So there's no fast rule about it. Some wanted big chunks of cookies, some wanted very small pieces. So you do what you prefer in your ice cream. And I think I'm done. This is another half of the base be made, and I'm just going to stir in some of this Oreo crumbles and our cookies and cream ice cream. It's ready to go, which you can also serve it soft serve, or you can freeze for it to firm up. Done. If you want more, you can add more. I think this is good for me. So in this bowl I have both the chocolates and the cookies and cream. Then I'm going to add just a little bit of cookies on top of the cream, cookies and cream, and some chopped chocolates to the chocolates one as well. You can also wait after serving it, you add it on top of it. So chocolate and cookies and cream ice cream are both ready, and I'm going to put this in the freezer to freeze, to firm up. So this is our final flavor, which is strawberry ice cream. And into the bowl we're just going to add jam, and as we did to the main rest with the main base, tablespoon of milk, add more as needed, and we're just going to let it mix and stir in between. Of vanilla ice cream, and it looks nice. Soft serve. You can serve it right away, or you can put it in the freezer for it to firm up a little bit so that you can scoop it. So I'm just using a bowl. put the ice cream into it because it wouldn't be in the freezer for long. And it's just a dessert for the kids. So, but if you're going to put it in the freezer for long, I do not recommend this. Just a bowl. Yeah. So these are the flavors we made so far. 4 flavors: vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, cookies, and cream. I hope you like this recipe and you try it out. And thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a blessed day too. And Happy New Year to everybody. Bye.